Aspect of My Life by Ana Carmona. Hello, my name is Ana Luisa Carmona. I am from Lorica, Córdoba. I am 30 years old and I live in the bat Las Flores, El Limón. My birthday is 11/7/1991. I am a nursing assistant. I am a student and housewife. I am happily married woman. I have a beautiful and loving family with 2 beautiful daughters. I'm a charismatic person. I am a nice person. I am a very friendly and I like to share with everyone. I like to dance, sing, and above all have a lot of fun. I like to laugh and chat with my friends. I am a hard worker. I like jobs well done and above all doing things with love. That's all about my life. I hope you like it. Thanks and goodbye.